I think the first thing is to get as much information as you can. So getting things valued, very often that's houses, pensions. Sometimes there's collectibles, other things that are little unusual, coin collections, art. So getting a balance sheet together that everyone can live with is a key point. Sometimes it's as simple as pulling Blue Book values for cars. We've had people go online even during a settlement conference of some sort and just pull numbers for what are Hummels valued at, or whatever other collectibles they may have. Sometimes there's a small business, so getting that valued. So getting the data up front helps the process immensely. Then you need to decide who wants what. So it's not unusual that there's a dispute over who gets the house. How you solve that problem, there's no right or wrong answer. And sometimes, judges will order the sale of a house, and neither side wants that. Typically, one or the other parties wants the house for various reasons. Sometimes it's for the kids. Sometimes they had it before the marriage. I mean, there's all kinds of reasons. There's not good guidance on how to make that decision. It's left really in the discretion of the judges. So when we're trying to settle the case, we know that, and any number of things could happen. People typically find other things they want, to offset the value of the house. So, you get that data, you kind of try to, work through who gets what. And then at the bottom, you hope it comes as close to equal as possible. And if it doesn't, you create a buyout arrangement typically. And sometimes that buyout arrangement is tied into other issues. So it might offset spousal maintenance for a time, or someone may agree to do something in return for something creative on the buyout. So we leverage property against, other things. Maybe someone will keep their spouse on medical insurance in return for that, if it's available to them. I've had cases where, one party was handy around the house and agreed to, do some upkeep things for a couple of years. I mean, so there's all kinds of things people are willing to do, a little horse trading around property.